Hello, everybody. I'd like to welcome you to the third webinar in the I Am Experience series on leveraging coherence to build responsive classrooms. Coherence has always been very important in the way we think about curriculum. In fact, the coherence of the standards was foundational for us to be able to write a curriculum that tells a story about the mathematics. When mathematics is a story where one thing follows another in a coherent way, where it makes sense as a story that has meaning, rather than being a series of disconnected concepts and procedures, then you can listen to students and hear their thinking. Students are working together, and everybody can feel like they're part of the story. Coherence really supports responsive classrooms. There are a number of ways in which we built coherence into IM K-12 math. First, we have an overarching design structure at the lesson, unit, and course levels, which starts with an invitation to the mathematics, proceeds to deep study of concepts and procedures, and concludes with consolidating and applying the mathematics. We also put a lot of thought into the progression of representations, making sure that each representation had a mathematical purpose, that we didn't clutter the materials up with too many representations, and that they proceed in a progression from concrete to abstract. Finally, the teacher-facing materials are designed to support teachers with unit, section, and lesson overviews that again tell the story of mathematics. And we provide teachers with questions for assessing where students are and advancing their thinking. These help teachers create a classroom where all student contributions are affirmed and valued. So sorry I couldn't be here. I think you will learn from the wonderful panelists we have today. Welcome all.